In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card to Samsung Wallet. First, let's start by opening Samsung Wallet. You can find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. It has a simple and recognizable logo. Once you tap on it, you will see the main interface. This is where all your payment options will be displayed. Opening the app is crucial because it unlocks the features you need to manage your cards and transactions. Once you have Samsung Wallet open, look for the option labeled All. This option is usually located at the bottom of your screen. Tapping on All brings up a menu of various features available in the app. It is important to navigate here as it gives you access to your payment cards and other wallet functionalities. You will see a clean layout that makes it easy to find what you need next. Next, tap on Payment Cards. This option will allow you to manage any existing cards you already have, as well as add new ones. When you select this, you will see all your current payment cards stored in the wallet. This step matters because it helps you keep track of your payment methods in one convenient location. Now let's move on to adding your credit card. Tap on Add Credit Card. This is the action that will initiate the process of linking your new card. Upon tapping, you will be prompted with options to scan your card or enter the details manually. This flexibility ensures that you can choose the method that is most convenient for you. You can either scan your card or tap Add Card manually. If you choose to scan, simply hold your card up to your device's camera. Ensure the card fits within the frame provided on the screen. This method is quick and minimizes the chances of input errors. If you prefer to add the card manually, select that option and you will be taken to a new screen for inputting your card details. If you choose to enter the details manually, you will need to enter the card details. This includes your card number, expiration date, and security code. Be sure to double-check the numbers you enter to avoid any mistakes. Taking this extra moment to verify each entry is essential because it ensures that your card will be linked correctly without any issues later on. After entering the card details, tap Next. This action saves the information you've entered and moves you to the next step in the process. You may feel a sense of accomplishment as you navigate through these steps. This is a good sign that you are making progress in setting up your payment method. Following that, you will need to follow the instruction provided on the screen. This may include additional prompts for verification or configuration. Staying attentive during this step is important as any instructions here will guide you in completing the setup correctly. Next, you will be asked to accept the bank's terms. This is a standard procedure and ensures that you understand the terms of service related to your credit card. By accepting these terms, you are confirming your agreement with the bank's policies and guidelines. After that, you will need to verify your card. This could involve receiving a confirmation code via text message or email, depending on your bank's security measures. Completing this verification step is crucial as it protects your account and ensures that only you can access your card information. Finally, tap Done. This action finalizes the process of adding your credit card to Samsung Wallet. Once you see a confirmation message, you can be assured that your credit card is ready to use. Your credit card is now ready to use. You can start making purchases easily and securely with Samsung Wallet. Enjoy the convenience and flexibility that comes with having your card stored digitally.